right, Kelly. Well, analysts do expect the chipmaker to beat and raise. Honestly, everyone is incredibly bullish on this company, and that's because of surging demand, specifically for custom chips it makes for Google. That momentum helps explain why Broadcom, you said shares are down today, but if you look at it over just a 2-month period, shares have jumped 25%, while NVIDIA essentially flat line, you can see down negative 2%. But these particular chips, they're called TPUs or tensor processing units, and they're designed specifically for AI workloads. They're gaining traction, though, beyond Google's Gemini models that you just talked about. Meta, Apple, Anthropic are all now using the technology. The Street expects about a 56% increase in AI revenue growth for Broadcom in fiscal 2027. Why? Driven by expanding TPU reach, that chips that we were just talking about, as well as AI networking demand. So think of them like switching chips. These connect servers inside a data center so that they can speak to each other. That's a very important element of these build-outs, too. We often talk about the chips, but we don't talk about all the other parts that go in there. The custom chip momentum, though, is also getting a boost from shifting industry dynamics. And what do I mean by that? Oracle just last night, they talked about selling their Ampere chip stake in their earnings call, with Larry Ellison saying the company is now committed to, quote, chip neutrality and would deploy whatever chips customers want. That means that it can open more doors for Broadcom's custom silicon business, which, by the way, is also, in a direct partnership with OpenAI. We heard Sam Altman talk about making chips in the near term. Morgan Stanley sees the real inflection, though, for Broadcom coming in the second half of 2026, when Broadcom is expected to deliver $10 billion worth of racks to what's believed to be Anthropic, the maker of Claude, the large language model I use. But some of that Google chip strength may be cannibalizing Broadcom's other custom chip customers. 4 out of 5 Broadcom ASIC clients, these are the custom chip clients, have ties to TPUs at Google, suggesting this growth would be replacing, not necessarily adding to other expectations. So the results should help clarify whether Broadcom is capturing genuinely new business or simply redistributing revenue across its existing customer base, Kelly.
You're a Claude girl?
Yeah. And really? I always say Claude because I'm from Quebec, but yes, of course. It's the best writer.
Claude. I haven't used it in months. And it's free?
I know. I pay $20 a month.
Jeez. All right. See, it's hard to trial. They get sticky after a while. I guess that's the product argument.
Kristina, you got to change it up, get some spice in your life.
I agree. If it were free. But I guess you can't. $20 over here and then $20 over here just to try them all. Just so I can say how many calories was in my lunch today.
I know. I still can't believe you do that. You check that. But good on you.
I need to do more of it. Kristina, thanks very much. Kristina Partsinevelos.